guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today's video is actually going to be a getting back on track vlog, a little reset day, just getting prepared for a productive week. So I desperately need one of these days. I've had very busy days these last couple of days. So I kind of fell off my routine, and today I really want to clean the house, have some self-care time, read my book, and just kind of get some things done. So that is a plan today. At some point, I am gonna have a little coffee shop date with my friend. We're gonna go to a coffee shop, just kind of feel out the vibes, get some work done, just be very productive. I love coffee shop days. I feel like it helps so much getting out of the house and getting into this like productive vibe. And then, the coffee always helps. So there's that. I also really want to clean today, like I said. So I actually have some time before I am planning to head out with my friend to the coffee shop. So I kind of want to get a head start and throw in some laundry, start cleaning up a bit so it's not too crazy when I come back and have a ton to do. So yeah, guys. Also, I just wanted to mention really quick, I hit 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I had to mention it because that is like a huge thing. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who supports my channel. Those of you that are always commenting, I honestly love so much reading your guys' comments. You guys are the sweetest, like nicest friends I have online. That means so much to me. You guys have no idea. Like, I look through my comments and it makes me so happy to read through them and to see that you guys are commenting from like everywhere, like San Diego, Florida, like all over the place. And that is so cool that we can all just like connect in a video. I don't know, it's so cool to me, and I just wanted to say thank you guys. But anyway, back to the vlog. Let's get started on some cleaning before I pack my bag and then we head to the coffee shop. I got a lot of cleaning done, and now I'm gonna head out with my friend to the coffee shop. I'm very excited because I think I tried to vlog this last time at this really cute coffee shop that we love, but it was closed. But I just found out that they actually have another location in downtown, so we're gonna go check it out. And if it is, I'm gonna be so happy that that location's open because the other one closed permanently. And we love their food, we love their drinks, and the vibe is usually really nice and cute. So hopefully it's the same. But I'm gonna pack my bag so we can head out. I just got back from the coffee shop. I was there a lot longer than I wanted to be. So I'm gonna quickly get my bag and head to the grocery store just to get a few things I want for the week. And then I'll finally be back and settle in and prep everything and do some much needed self-care.
Actually have one here.
Okay, I'm back from Trader Joe's. Let's do a little haul. They had a full-on fall vibe going on in there. I'm so excited now because it smells so good and they had so many things. But of course, got some snacks. Got some sweet potato fries. And starting off strong with some pumpkin things. These are the gluten-free pumpkin pancake mix. So I don't think I've tried these before, so I'm excited to try that out. Also excited to have these. I don't think I've had the pumpkin edition. I've had the cranberry ones and I love those. These are the pumpkin cranberry crisp. The other ones I've got, I don't remember. I think it's cranberry something else. It's a purple lavender box, so got some of these. Also, I'm very excited for this pasta, and it's shaped like cute little pumpkins, but also it's healthy. This is like a butternut squash pasta. I'll make this at some point this week. Just some peanut Thai noodles. Of course, some snacks for Olive and Pepper. I heard that Trader Joe's has really good snacks for dogs, so I always try to grab something. These are the chicken jerky sticks. And then we got some cute little pumpkins. Just got 3 of these to put around the house since they last really long and they're so cute. Always get this sauce. I normally make my own sauce, but when I go to Trader Joe's in the fall, I always pick this up. It's really good. This is the Autumn Harvest Creamy Pasta Sauce made with pumpkin and butternut squash. So I think I'm gonna make this together at some point this week. Got some tofu. I also stocked up on my chicken dumplings. These are really good and easy for like a quick lunch throughout the week, so I really like these and they're so good. They actually taste amazing with your chili, the crunch, chili onion crunch. This is the best thing ever. I love this. I have bought this so many times. Try this out if you guys haven't, together with a little bit of soy sauce. Bomb. Also got some meats. This is some sirloin steak. Got some salmon. I want to make a salmon bowl probably tomorrow. I also like getting my little cucumbers to make with the salmon. And then of course my gnocchi. I love the gnocchi there. This, I don't know what kind this is. I got this bag. I was looking for the cauliflower one and this is not it. But we got some of this, and then we got the sweet potato gnocchi. This is honestly, I think, the best one for the fall. It just gives very nice comfort food vibes. So I got 2 bags of that. And then I think I got one more thing, yes. I got some broccoli to make some type of broccoli stir fry. And the last thing I got was this pumpkin butter, body butter cream. They had like a tester out and I smelled it and it smelled so good. So I got this for today since I want to have like an everything shower, just kind of do some self-care and get into the fall vibes with this lotion. So that is pretty much it. I'm gonna restock and clean out my fridge really quick and put everything away, and then I'll probably start getting cozy and take an everything shower because I think it's around that time already. It's getting late, so yeah. I'm about to feed Olive and Pepper, and I've been wanting to show you guys these new bowls I got for them the other day at HomeGoods. They're so cute and aesthetic. They were only $7.99. They had like a bigger size, but we got the smaller one and they're perfect. These honestly look like they would cost so much more at like CB2 or like Crate & Barrel or something, or that's the same thing, Pottery Barn or one of those stores. They are so cute. I wonder if I can find them online for you guys on the HomeGoods website, so I'll try it, but aren't they so cute?